Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classvita.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is a customer says I think may be making a mistakes. Here's I do like these pens but they are gifts from my friends and she does not cook as much as I do. What would be your best response to a customer who is still undecided about making the purchase option? Your friend could always returns them. If you are unsure about the pens, maybe I could help you find something more appropriate. What are the hobbies option? We shall uh, probably want to do more cookings with. She see these pens option. See, I think it's nice to give something to like. If she does not like them, so she can exchange them. Option D. I am sure that she will like them just like you do. The correct answer of the question option A. Your friend could always returns them. If you are unsure about the pens, maybe I could help you find you something you more appropriate. What are hobbies? So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answered you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. On the next question. Bye bye.